জাভেদ শামীম নিয়ে মন্তব্য এড়িয়ে গেলেন রাজ্যপাল। তিনি জানান, ইতিমধ্যে রাজ্যে নির্বাচনী বিধিনিষেধ রয়েছে। যতক্ষণ না পর্যন্ত নির্বাচন শেষ হচ্ছে ততক্ষণ কোনো রাজ্যের সাংবিধানিক প্রধান হিসেবে কোনো রাজনৈতিক বিষয়ে মন্তব্য রাখব না। শিলিগুড়িতে একটি অনুষ্ঠানে যোগদান করতে এসে পাশাপাশি তিনি বলেন, ভোট কেন্দ্রে গিয়ে ভোটাররা যাতে শান্তিপূর্ণভাবে ভোট দিতে পারে সেটা দেখার দায়িত্ব ভারতের নির্বাচন বিভাগের।
It was at Siliguri. It was at Siliguri that I had announced that a portrait of Shukla Dhawaj, Chilarai, will be unveiled at Rajbhavan. That portrait of Chilarai ji, the great warrior, the great general, was unveiled at Rajbhavan yesterday on his birth anniversary as a tribute to him. But the first announcement was made by me when I had come to Siliguri on my first visit. Model Code of Conduct is in force. As governor, I am required to set highest standards. I would therefore not reflect on any other issue till the electoral process comes to an end. I would appeal to you and everyone else that all of us want peaceful elections. Let us work for peaceful, free polls without violence. I am sure everyone will cooperate with that. I am here today to attend a function of Dainik Bhaskar, an important media house where they are honoring icons of North Bengal. I have been coming to North Bengal many a times, and stayed at Rajbhavan, Darjeeling for one complete month. I am happy to be here. This area has enormous potential for growth and everything else. Once again, my very best wishes to my journalist friends. No questions. I am very clear about it.
One sawal, just PCI declares 8 phases of election. So what's your reaction? And
With folded hands, I will remind you what I had been saying all through. All of us in public life must set very high standards. As Governor State of West Bengal, I must adhere to constitutional prescriptions after Model Code of Conduct. I should not be reacting on any issue at all. I have made a prayer to all of you. मेरी प्रार्थना है, मेरा अनुरोध है, मेरी याचना है, हर किसी को एक प्रयास करना चाहिए, निष्पक्ष, हिंसा रहित चुनाव हो। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you.